I'm black every day, but this month right here, I'm blackity black, black, black. You feel me? Blackity black, black, black.
Black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm blacker than black, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black.
What up, my nines? It's DJ Nine of Truth here, back with another video. Yes, the lion is back.
Lion.
I'm back with another video. Today, nines, I am back with another My Top 9 list. Before we get into this top 9 list, happy Black History Month, nines. Black Lives Matter, always. So, in today's top 9 list, I'm going to be coming back with my top 9 Black Inventors Part 2. If you haven't seen Part 1, go ahead and check it out. It's going to pop up here. A lot of amazing Black inventors are on that list, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you go ahead and check it out. So, I'm going to start from the bottom to the top. The difference with this top 9 list is I'm not going to give too many facts on the inventors. I'm just going to drop the inventor's name, their invention, and a picture of it over here, you feel me? Just a quick My Top 9 list to drop this history on y'all real quick. Why? Because it's Black History Month, you feel me? So, order does not matter. Everyone on this list is an amazing inventor. They gave us some amazing inventions, you feel me? So, the list doesn't matter. Alright, nines, let's go ahead and get into this list. Coming in number 9. Number 9 goes to Thomas L. Jennings. He was the inventor of the dry cleaning process. Pictures is over here. Once again, Thomas L. Jennings, he created the dry cleaning process. Coming in number 8. Number 8 goes to Anna A. Mangan. She invented the pastry fork, aka the pie fork. So once again, that is Anna A. Mangan, and she invented the pastry fork, aka the pie fork. Coming in number 7. Number 7 goes to Osborne Dorsey, and he is the inventor of the doorknob and the doorstop. Pictures over here. So once again, that is Osborne Dorsey, and he is the inventor of the doorknob and the doorstop. Coming in number 6. Number 6 goes to Dr. Shirley Ann Jackson. She is the inventor of the improved touch-tone telephone. Once again, that is Dr. Shirley Ann Jackson, and she's the inventor of the improved touch-tone telephone. Coming in number 5. Number 5 goes to Charles B. Brooks, and he is the inventor of the street sweeper. Once again, that is Charles B. Brooks, and he is the inventor of the street sweeper. Coming in number 4. Number 4 goes to Otis Boykin, and he is the inventor of the improved version of the pacemaker. Once again, that is Otis Boykin, and he is the inventor of the improved version of the pacemaker. Coming in number 3. Number 3 goes to Louis Latimer. He is the inventor of the improved version of the light bulb. Once again, that is Louis Latimer, and he is the inventor of the improved version of the light bulb. Coming in number 2. Number 2 goes to John Albert Burr, and he is the inventor of the lawnmower. Once again, John Albert Burr, and he is the inventor of the lawnmower. And last but not least, coming in number 1. Number 1 goes to Dr. Patricia A. Bath, and she is the inventor of the laser phaco probe for cataract treatment. I'm gonna put the name up over here as well as the pictures because I don't think I'm saying that right. Laser phaco probe for cataract treatment. Once again, that is Dr. Patricia A. Bath, and she is the inventor of laser phaco probe for cataract treatment. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Once again, this is just a quick top 9 Black inventors list, just to drop some quick history on y'all, just in case y'all didn't know any of these amazing inventions were created by Black people, you feel me? That's the purpose of this list. Just wanted to drop my top 9 Black inventors Part 2. Once again, if you haven't seen Part 1, go ahead and check it out. It's gonna pop up here. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Once again, we keeping up with blackity black 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 videos all month on this channel. Stay tuned, I got more videos on the way. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead, join the squad, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know exactly when my videos drop. Got videos coming at you every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Vibe with the truth. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. You vibing with the truth? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Till next time. Peace.